You know, if you're a small, medium or large business, in business you need to wear a lot of different hats. You know, sales, marketing, operations. You know, you might wear a hat like this. You might be in sales. You might be a farmer, farming customer service. You might be a cowboy. You got to get out there and do deals and you got to be a hustler and hustle for the deals. You got to wear that hat, the hustling hat. You might just be a bit of a detective and you're out there with the magnifying glass and you're searching out the information and finding out what the opposition's up to. You might be a gorilla. You might be sneaking around doing crazy things with your gorilla hat on. Or you might be the Scottish accountant finance guy because he's playing the old Scottish piano with the old calculator and the old spreadsheet. Or you might just be the new digital guy who wears the baseball cap on sideways because he knows all about the old digital marketing. Clever little bugger. Or you might just be the guy from New York who just knows everything about everything because he's a mate of Donald Trump's and he knows what you do when you're in New York. Yeah, New York. In New York, it's actually so good they named it twice. I'm going to name it 4 times. New York, New York, New York, New York. Or you might be, it's a very bad, it's not even an Italian accent, you idiot. Italia, you have the pizza, the pasta, the women, the vino, the design, Lamborghini, Dolce & Gabbana, Versace, Valentino. I know what the women want. They want to be beautiful. So no matter what hat you wear in business, no matter what personality you take on, you've got to have a system. You've got to have a system. You've got to have a recipe. You've got to have a strategy. We say, you work the system and the system will work for you. Go for it.